You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 286,654,464. Let's solve it step by step. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify exponents and square roots. 3 to the power of 5 equals 243. 2 to the power of 9 equals 512. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 512 times 243 equals 124416. Simplify exponents and square roots. 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 16 times 3 equals 48. Simplify exponents and square roots. 48 to the power of 2 equals 2304. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 124,416 times 2304 equals 286,65446. And so the final result is 286,654,464.